When my husband and I started looking into foundation companies, I did make Baird Foundation. They were the first company that we called, and I did make them aware that we were looking at other companies because we wanted to get, of course, the best deal, and also just make sure that what all the companies were saying were more or less what the foundation needed. We just wanted to see their experience, and from the very start, um, Jacob did an excellent job. He was thorough. He sat down with us and explained everything, so he really did sell uh, the work, and we were pleased. Well, some of the issues that I had noticed that we were calling foundation companies was we noticed we have a brick home, and so we noticed that there was cracking on the outside. We noticed it particular in just one area, so we wanted to address it as soon as possible. So when we called Baird Foundation, they went ahead and locked us into a 2 hour window. And they explained to us that it was because they were going to do the evaluation. He was going to come and get inside our crawl space, and after that, he sat down with us and he explained everything that was going on with the house. I really liked that we had. He gave us four different solutions. And so we were not, it wasn't just a one thing and fix everything. So we decided to go with two of the solutions that he gave us, which was best for us financially, and also what we felt that the house needed at that time. When the crew arrived, the supervisor that was in charge of them came to the door, and he was very friendly. He introduced himself. He kind of explained how they were going to start with the foundation. Uh, Everybody was very nice. They kept the area clean. I know there was another supervisor that came in, which was Juan, and he was in charge of the foundation that was gonna be done on the crawl space. And I also really liked Juan. He explained everything really well, and he made sure that the crew were all professional all the time. Yes, after the everything was completed with Bear Foundation. We had looked up the Smart Jack product, and we really feel that they did the job that they were supposed to do as far as when Jacob came in and explained what the product was meant to do. We really felt in the end that it was done. My overall experience with Baird Foundation was really great. In the end, I felt satisfied. I felt that the work was completed right, and also they came in with ahead of schedule. I would definitely recommend Baird Foundation to friends and family. I have tried to, as people have called me and around the neighborhood, I have given them a good recommendation. I really felt satisfied with all the work, and we just had a very good experience with them till the very end.